Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about mutable maps. A mutable map is a collection that allows you to add, remove, and update key value pairs after it's created. Mutable maps are used to store and manage key value associations and are part of Kotlin's collection framework. I'll start with val vegetables price equals to mutable map of, and here I'll start with potato to operator, and the price is $1.5. I'll use another element, and by the way, you separate elements by comma. Tomato to 3.5, broccoli to $6.0. The mutable map of function is used to create a mutable map in Kotlin. You can modify a mutable map using various functions and operations such as put, remove, and updating the values associated with a key. For example, if I want to update the price of tomato, I specify vegetable price, which is the map. Inside an angled brackets, I specify the key, which is tomato, and by the way, it's case sensitive, so you should specify the key as it equals to, for example, $4. So we use the square brackets to access the value associated with the key tomato and update it to the new price, which is $4. I can add a new element by using the put function. We need to specify a key, which is of type string, garlic, and the value, which is of type double. And instead of using to, we need to replace it with this comma, because this is the key and this is the value. And if you hover on the put function, you can see the key value pair are separated with comma. Mutable maps provide flexibility when you need to work with a dynamic set of key value associations, as you can change the map's contents as your program runs. You can also perform map operations like key lookup, iteration, and key value pair manipulation. And to print all map elements, I'll use a for loop for this job. For, and here I need to specify key value pair in vegetables price. I need to print ln the key and the value. So here the vegetable key and the price, which is the value. The key value in each of the vegetables price elements, I need to print the key and I need to print the value. You can print the key alone, you can print the value alone, but in this case, I am printing the key value pairs. The vegetable, potato, 1.5, tomato, 4, broccoli, and the garlic, which we added before. Okay, this is how we use mutable maps in Kotlin, and this is how we work with maps in Kotlin.